Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
In line with a presidential directive, the Niger Delta Development Commission, Nddc, has continued to donate relief materials to states affected by floods in the Niger Delta. Our correspondent reports that recent recipients of relief materials donated by the Nddc include Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, and Imo states.
In compliance with President Muhammadu Buhari's directive, Nddc officials were in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom state capital, recently to donate relief materials to victims of this year's flood. Some of the items donated were 300 bags of rice, beans, processed cassava, beverages, beddings, and other essential needs. Clan head of Esideket community, Etudo Ikot, who received the relief materials on behalf of his community, lauded the Nddc for its intervention.
It is the first of its kind, it is unique, and it is something that will go a long way to ameliorate the suffering of those who have been devastated by the flood.
Earlier, the Nddc had donated relief materials to the Imo State government for onward distribution to flood victims in the state. Imo State Commissioner for Niger Delta Affairs, Henry Okafo, who took delivery of the donated items, observed that the relief assistance would provide succor to flood-impacted communities in the state.
It's a massive, and I appreciate NDDC for such gesture. It's going to make some impact.
Bayelsa State, which was heavily impacted by the flood disaster, also got its fair share of relief materials donated by the Nddc. Chairman of the Bayelsa State Emergency Management Agency, Sam Igurubia, lauded the Nddc for assisting flood victims in the state, promising that items donated would be distributed equitably among flood victims.
This will bring at least succor to the people that have suffered so much in the ravaging flood. We thank Nddc for what they have brought, and we assure them that we are going to distribute to every nook and crannies of Bayelsa State so that the people of the state will benefit from whatever they have brought.
Nddc officials will in due course visit other states to donate relief materials to flood-impacted communities in the Niger Delta. At the end of the exercise, the Nddc intends to commence a medical outreach in the communities and distribute seedlings to farmers as part of its post-flood economic recovery program in the region.
Inside the Niger Delta,